Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you how to put a push start button car into neutral. Okay, this is a Dodge 2015 Charger, and this is how you do it. So you see the stick shift. This is an automatic car, automatic 2015 Dodge Charger. You see where you put them little coins and your keys and stuff. You're gonna remove this little thing, remove this one, and pull this lever handle. And as soon as you pull it all the way, you have to hold it, and you are able to push it forward or backwards. It will turn into neutral. There is a way to place your little key there, so you don't have to hold it anymore. Um, however, I don't know how to. Um, but yeah, just